Folks, I can't stress this enough. Security on that code at the root level is paramount.
So if you find yourself in non-compliance in a way that somebody comes to your door and asks you to produce artifacts or proof of your code and how you're storing it, just know the last person who touches your network in the last point of your network owns your network. When you read it, it's just almost verbatim. He who owns the data owns the data. And if you gave it to them, then they own it. And there could be repercussions from that. You may lose your competitive edge. So this is where AI comes in, and the reason why we are augmenting with it, because it gives you the competitive edge back. You just have to do it the correct way. Good, bad, or indifferent. If you do not do that, then you are negligent. Insurance isn't going to cover you. Your customers are going to be upset because there's only going to be one path for you. Wipe it clean.
But when you run your code through something that knows the code base and how the syntax should be properly highlighted and laid out in its overall functionality, then again, like James brought up earlier, knowing how to prompt what you need in the way of properly secured code so there are not any backdoors or processes that may be exposed, run that through an actual code editor, like I said, to have it run and then test it. Because keep in mind, what you might see in Replit or Bolt or Google AI Studio, whatever, based on what you give it that you want it to output, it's probably going to output it fairly simply and it looks cool. But does it mean it's fully functional for front end usage with all the security loopholes, all them doors closed? You got to think of it like this at night. When you go to bed, do you leave your front and back door wide open? No. You close it. You lock it. Why? Because you want to know that your family is secure and taken care of. It's no different with code. Doesn't make a difference what you're using it for, whether it's AI, personal adventure, some different business application. Folks, I can't stress this enough. Security on that code at the root level is paramount.
Paramount.